Good day everyone. I am Yashrini Velasco and today we will be exploring a crucial statistical tool used in research, the independent t-test. And our objectives is, by the end of the lesson, you are expected to understand the concept and application of the independent t-test in research for comparing the means of two independent groups. Develop the ability to perform and interpret an independent t-test using statistical software or manual calculations. And last is, appreciate the importance of rigorous statistical methods in ensuring the validity and reliability of research findings. So let's start, let's begin. So, in research, comparing groups to determine if there are significant differences between them is a common objective. So, the independent t-test, also known as the student t-test, it is a statistical method used to compare the means of two independent groups. And this test is particularly useful when researchers want to determine whether the observed differences between groups are statistically significant or due to random chance. And this report introduces the independent t-test, explains the assumptions, and discuss the applications in research. So, understanding the independent t-test. So, the independent t-test is a parametric test used to compare the means of two independent groups. It is based on the t-distribution and is appropriate when the data meets certain assumptions. Like, the first is the independence. This is where the two groups being compared must be independent of each other or unrelated. Like, for example, is comparing the exam scores of two different classes. And second is normality, wherein the data in each group should be approximately normally distributed. Like, for example, is if we compare blood pressure levels between two treatment groups, we assume that the distribution of blood pressure measurements follows a normal curve. And the third is homogeneity of variance, wherein the variances of the two groups should be equal. Like, for example, is if we compare reaction times of drivers who drank coffee versus those who did not, we assume that the variability in reaction times is similar between the two groups. And if variances are unequal, Wilks t-test can be used as an alternative. Now, here is the formula for the independent t-test, where the x bar 1 and x bar 2 are the means of the two groups, and the s1 squared and the s2 squared are the variances, and n1 and n2 are the sample sizes. So we're going to application of the independent t-test. So the independent t-test is widely used in various fields including psychology, education, medicine, and social science. Like, for example, is in education, researchers might use the t-test to compare the test scores of students taught in using two different teaching methods. In medicine, the t-test could be used to compare the effectiveness of two different treatments on patient outcomes. So, let's take a closer look to an education-related example. So, in education, teaching methods. So, a researcher wants to determine if two different teaching methods impact student performance differently. So, for the group 1, 30 students, they thought using traditional lecture-based learning. And for the group 2, another 30 students, they're taught using an interactive technology-based approach. So, the data are collected. So, test scores after 6 weeks learning period. So, its hypothesis is the H0 or H0, there is no significant difference in test scores between the two teaching methods. And the H1, there is a significant difference in a test scores between the two teaching methods. And if the independent t-test applied, so if the p-value less than 0.05, it conclude the teaching method affects performance. So there are steps to perform an independent t-test. So to perform an independent t-test, you must follow these steps. The the first one is formulate hypothesis. The H naught, H0 null means there is no significant difference between the means. And the H1, the alternative, means there is a significant difference between the means. The next step is check assumptions. Test for normality. Like for example is you can use the histogram, Shapiro-Wilk test, and test for homogeneity of variance. Like for example is the Leibniz test. So the next step is calculate the t statistic. You should use the formula of software like SPSS, Excel, or Python. And the next step is determine the p-value. So this is where you compare the t-value to the critical value or check software generated p-value. And the last step is make a decision. So if the p-value less than 0.05, reject H0 or H0, there is a significant difference. And if p-value greater than 0.05, fail to reject H0 or H0, there is no significant difference. So let's go to interpretation of results. Now, let's interpret what the results of an independent t-test mean. Like for example is, if a p-value of 0.03 is obtained for the teaching method study, we conclude the teaching methods significantly affect the student performance. And if a p-value of 0.08 is obtained in a drug trial, we conclude that there is no significant difference between the drug and placebo. So, we're going to limitation of the independent t-test. And of course, there's still a limitation. So, while the independent t-test is powerful, it also has limitations. So, it is only applicable to two independent groups. And it assumes normality and homogeneity of variance, which may not always be met. And it does not provide information about effect size, which is important for understanding practical significance. So, to wrap it up, the independent t-test is a fundamental statistical method for comparing the means of two independent groups. By understanding its assumptions, applications, and interpretation, researchers can use this tool to test hypotheses and draw meaningful conclusions. And of course, while it has limitations, it remains a valuable method. And rigorous application of statistical methods like the t-test, it ensures the validity and reliability of research findings and contributes to the advancement of knowledge. So, here are the references used in these lessons for further reading and deeper understanding. You can refer to these detailed guidance and examples. Thank you very much.